Still Bite Protocol Reviews. Keep your teeth and mouth healthy in natural ways. Toothache, bleeding gum, and decay must be problems experienced by so many people in the world. You can even say that there is no one with a completely clean oral area. That's reasonable. You eat and drink every day, that must be remaining debris there. When it is not cleaned well, it turns into the problems mentioned above. Well, if you are looking for natural methods to keep your teeth and mouth clean and healthy, you can try to buy this book, Still Bite Protocol. So, what are the things you can learn from it? Here they are. 1. No dental products totally clean your oral cavity. It sounds surprising for sure, but it is true. No matter how good and expensive the product is, nothing of them that really works to clean your teeth and mouth. For example, if you use a toothbrush, even the electronic one, it only reaches the surface area of your mouth. Meanwhile, mouthwash can reach the deeper area, but it is not strong enough to remove plaque. Unfortunately, if you used so many products at once, it may cause gum irritations. 2. How about going to a dentist for dental scaling? Well, it sounds great. So far, this is the best way to clean your mouth area deeply. But sure, you must not go to the dentist every day, mustn't you? Despite wasting time, tools and cleaners used also give you some side effects. On the other hand, the bacteria spreading inside your mouth is very fast, only in some seconds in a day. 3. Saliva is the saver. There is a product that is produced, and it stays every day in your mouth. This product can reach even the deepest and tiniest part of your teeth and gum, without causing damages and side effects. Well, it is your own saliva. It is a great thing if you can turn your saliva into the disinfectant to clean and keep your mouth healthy. Interestingly, it is very possible. The question is, how is it? 4. Turning saliva into weapons inside your mouth. So, the book gives you insight into how to turn saliva into weapons inside your mouth. Based on research and observations, when it is successful, the saliva can give you some benefits. They include breaking tartar and plaque, destroying the bacteria and germs, strengthening your teeth, and forming a shield for teeth and gum, and more. 5. Natural methods to keep teeth and mouth healthy. Interestingly, from this book, you will also learn that turning saliva into weapons with some natural steps. One of them is by consuming and using herbs and plants around. With the methods also, you can avoid further problems like toothache, bleeding gum, teeth cavity, and still many more. If you are one of the people who are aware of the health of your teeth and gum, having this book is a great thing. Not only is it helpful to keep them healthy and clean, but also the methods offered are natural. You can even save more money for dentists and dental care with it. Make sure to read Still Bite Protocol Reviews first. Do this 60 seconds dental trick before going to bed tonight to rebuild your teeth and gums, and get rid of tooth decay. Visit the link below in the description to learn more, and get Still Bite Protocol.